Hello everyone, welcome to the last day of SMC's Quiz Fest and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the questions of the quizzes in this fest. Do tell us how you found the quizzes. Uh, and if you are new to this channel, do subscribe the channel. Here we go with the prelims. This is a mind quiz, the general quiz. Questions by Abu, Prithvi, and Soumya. So the first question was, this is an exhaustive list: Switzerland, Nepal, and Vatican City. So connect. So Switzerland, Nepal, and Vatican City are the only three country. Exhaustive list. Connect. So they are the only countries to have non-rectangular flag. Moving on to question 2. A popular brand of chocolate named after a French pastry, a dish which is made up of oblong shaped dough filled with caramel. So that's a giveaway hint. So lightning flashes, the dish is eaten very quickly. Name the dish or chocolate brand. So we are looking in this question, a popular brand of a chocolate is being asked. So this is Eclairs. Moving on to next question, question number 3. So the Himalayas are home to many tribes, but the problem of land scarcity is very much eminent. They found a way which allows family land to remain intact and undivided. This also decreases the family disputes and also sustain generation by providing them enough land to live. However, this ritual is mostly opposite in communities. What is the ritual they use to sustain life in those rough terrains? Tough one. So we are looking for a particular ritual they use to sustain life in those tough terrains, so which is mostly opposite in the general communities, so which decreases the family dispute and also sustain generation by providing them enough land to live. So it is being talked about. So this single wife married to multiple husbands, it's a weird thing. Still, this is what they do for the survival in the rough terrains. Moving on to question number 4. So connect the 4 images. If you pronounce whatever there is an image, it's a giveaway thing. So we have sword and sickle, we have a bird and 2 leaves, we have a kuli, we have can't be touched. So these are basically the works of Mulk Raj Anand: kuli, untouchable, sickle and sword, 2 leaves and a bird. Moving on to question number 5. Fourth Earl of Dash was addicted of gambling. He was so much involved in it that he rarely got the time to satisfy his stomach. To cure this problem, he invented a method which saved his time and increased portability of the food. Which method did he invent, which get its name from his kingdom? So, what particular method was invented which get its name from his kingdom? Fourth Earl of Dash, addicted of gambling. So, portable food, satisfy his stomach. So this is sandwich, fourth Earl of Sandwich. Moving to question number 6. Connect a few images. So glass castle would be a giveaway hint. So someone is crawling there, that would be a giveaway hint. Someone is fainting. So numb, faint, castle of glass, crawling, in the end, final, masquerade. These all are the songs of Linkin Park. So moving on to next question, question number 7. Recently, a French woman was arrested for her video shoot at Rishikesh. Popular Lakshman Gwala. Lakshman Jula, okay. So it should be Lakshman Chula. She was arrested after a complaint was lodged against her for a crime she did not know she committed, and later she was released. Why was she arrested? So why was she arrested is being asked. So this French woman unknowingly committed a particular crime. She was arrested after a complaint. So what is being talked about? So she was shooting a nude video which she being French didn't know was prohibited here. Moving to next question, connect. So connect. We have rose, we have a kraken, we have falcon, we have stag, we have lion. So there's the house seagulls of great house of the Game of Thrones. So rose for Tyrell, kraken for Greyjoy, falcon for Arryn, stag for Baratheon, and lion for Lannister. Moving on to question number 9. Which notorious underage person recently topped BSc honors list in a college in West Bengal? Underage is a giveaway hint. So there are few options as many funny merit list came out through West Bengal, but underage is where you need to focus. So notorious underage person recently topped BSc honors list in a college in West Bengal. So this is Sinchen Nohara. Moving on to question number 10. More than 50,000 polling station had been set up in Gujarat for the third phase of 2019 election. One booth was set up 70 km inside Gir Sanctuary. Why this booth is special? So why this particular booth in Gir Forest is special? So this ballot was put up for a single voter. He is Mahant Bharat Das Darshan Das. So this ballot was put up for a single voter. Only he was the voter in the entire polling booth, which is 70 km inside the Gir. Moving on to question number 11. X is one of the largest species of duck in the country. The characteristics of the duck is their contrast in color of white head and neck, and rest of the body is darker. Commonly very secretive and nocturnal bird. Why is this bird special? So which bird and why is this bird special? So this is white-winged wood duck, the state bird of Assam. Moving on to question number 12. So this is for USA, this is for Uganda, this is for Germany, this is for Panama, and this one for Chile. So connect and name the structure which is common to us. So connect and name the structure which is common to us. So USA, Canada, Germany, Panama, Chile being the other famous sites. So this is the places of worship of Baha'i religion, and Lotus Temple being common to us. So Lotus Temple in Delhi is one of the Baha'i temple. Moving on to question number 13. This is a picture showing effect of global warming, about the glacier being melted, but there was a major mistake in this picture. So what was the major mistake? So there is a polar bear and penguin in a particular eye section. So what is the major mistake? So basically polar bear and penguin cannot be spotted in one particular place. It is not possible as they are poles apart. So polar bear lives in Arctic region and penguins lives in the Antarctic region. So this is the what the picture was wrong in, which was showing the global warming. Moving on to question number 14. What is hidden in the background which we enjoyed in our teenage years and whose next edition was inspired from Usain Bolt himself? Inspired from Usain Bolt himself, what is hidden in the background which we enjoyed in our teenage years? So this is Naruto, whose next edition was named Boruto, which means bolt. As simple as that. Move on to next question. Question 15. X is a term used for native Gale winds. It is believed that X was married to somewhere far off her motherland. Once a year in spring, X comes to visit her motherland, which marks the start of Y, and when she returns, it marks the end of Y. So give me X and Y. So native gale winds. So this is Bordeaux and marks the starting and the ending of the Bihu. Moving on to question number 16. Connect X, Cornetto, Horlicks, Dove, Close Up, Nor. So this is non-exhaustive list. There are a lot many in this particular list. So these are few. Question from business. This is brands owned by Hindustan Unilever Limited, HUL, is good enough. Moving on to next question. Gajmukh was an asura who, after gaining blessings from Mahadev, terrorized the gods. To defeat him, all the gods went to Sri Ganesh, and a long battle fought between them, in which Gajmukh was eventually defeated. To protect himself from getting killed by Ganesha, what did Gajmukh do? So Gajmukh did something to protect himself from getting killed by Ganesha, or how we famously know Gajmukh is what I am looking for. So what is being talked about? So this is he became Mushak, the ride of Ganusha. Gajmukh turned to Mushak. Moving on to question number 18. After PUBG was banned, this version of PUBG quickly became popular among the users. The name of this also means the smallest controllable element of a picture and also used the measure picture graphics. Name the version. So the giveaway hint would be this also means the smallest controllable element of a picture. So how we know this? So this is basically pixel PUBG. Moving on to question number 19, the penultimate question. The original choice for the seal of X was the East Indian Company Double Mohar, which had a sketch of lion and palm tree. Later lion was replaced by Y. Give X and Y. So the seal of X was the original choice. So simply, which had a sketch of lion and palm tree. Later lion was replaced by Y, another animal. So what we need is X and Y, X being one organization and Y being another animal, not lion. So if not lion, it would be tiger, and this is RBI's seal. So before moving on to the last question of the prelims, do wait for the final to get streamed, and do let us know how you find the whole fest, and do subscribe the channel if you are yet to do it. So here we go. Question number 20. Connect. So there are 4 cricketers here. We have Mansoor Ali Pataudi, we have Luke Ronchi, we have Grant Jones, we have Xavier Marshall. So simply connect them. So they are the cricketers who represented more than one country in international cricket. And thank you for watching the full video. Have a nice day ahead.